Searching for immersion blenders? You have come to the right place. In this video, we will take a look at the top 2 immersion hand blenders accessible today. We made this rundown in light of our own perspective, examination, and customer reviews. We've thought about their quality, elements, and values while reducing the most ideal decisions conceivable. If you want more information, be sure to check the links below in the description. The first item is the Cuisinart CSB 179. Cuisinart CSB 179 is an ideal immersion hand blender for all cooking sweethearts. The bundle conveys every one of the fundamental instruments fundamental for cooking. Compared to Bella, Cuisinart has an extra processor connection. Cuisinart has a mixing shaft of 8 inches. Thickening mayonnaise, mixing soup, or slashing veggies will likewise turn out to be simple on account of its 300 watts DC engine. In conclusion, Cuisinart CSB 179 has a chine-molded cutting edge. The best item on our rundown is the Kiosoxa. Kiosoxa presents exceptional elements that make cooking simple as well as fun. It gives you a decision to look over its 12-speed variety. Whether it is for a fast whipping or mixing your soup, this submersion hand blender has the speed you want. Other than this, Kiosoxa accompanies a proper rotating center plan. The pros are that it has a 12-speed variety, it has the decent rotational center plan, a 800-watt engine, and its edges are titanium covered with spotless lodging. It's perhaps the best blender available and will be certain not to dishearten you. Thanks for watching.